Today we're doing a long-term review of the Forma Adventure Boots. Now you might be asking yourself why I ride a road glide, why would I wear adventure boots? Well, I got these back in late 2020 when I still had the Indian Scout. The situation was I was pulled over on the side of the road and I went to take off and my right foot slipped out and my left leg whacked the floorboard really hard. I got a really bad bruise on that thing. So I decided I'm going with the tall boots, and I've stuck with the tall boots. So I've had these things for just under 4 years, so about 3.5 years or so. Yeah, they don't look like they're brand new because they're not, but they're very comfortable to begin with. They're not really an off-road boot. They don't have a lot of, they have some ankle flex to them. So if you're going to do some really hardcore off-roading, I'd recommend get yourself a dirt bike boot, because that will do much better than these things. However, once they break in a little bit, they're great for walking. They've got good tread, as you can see here. They, your feet won't slip out from you. You got this, I don't even know what you would call it, but anyway, it keeps you from screwing up the boot on the underside of your shifter, which is a nice thing. Now the buckles, really simple, kind of like ski boots. If you've ever been skiing, it's kind of similar to that, and a Velcro enclosure up top. Supposedly they're waterproof. I haven't experienced that yet. I've been in just a couple of small little rain showers here and there, and they've done okay. Overall, I really like the comfort. I mean, they give you protection on the ankles, on the shin, on your inside of your ankle, toes, really hard toe here. But they are walkable, and you can ride in these things all day long. I mean, I recently did that trip down to the back of the Dragon, and that was the second time going down there. 500 plus mile day, 1,200 miles in 2.5 days, something like that was what we did. And they're comfortable. One downside though is they're going to be pretty hot, especially on a summer day. They're going to be warm. There's no getting around it. It's I don't even know if it's real leather or not, but you want to wear tall socks up over the calf socks. Otherwise, the insides are just going to get nasty and sweaty, and you're not going to like them. Your legs are going to feel horrible. So wear some tall socks, absorb some of that sweat, because they're going to be a little bit hot. But on the plus side, in the wintertime, they're not really they're not cold. They're not exactly warm. Yeah, your feet will get cold, especially if you got cold air blowing on them the entire time, but not bad at all. So that's really it. I'd highly recommend getting these boots, especially if you're going to be doing adventure riding or, touring, anything like that, where you're running the risk of whacking that shin into your floorboard or peg or whatever. It really can save you some pain and bruising. And I guess that's about all I got to say on that. But if you'd like to pick some of these up, I do have a link in the bio for them, or the description, and check them out. They're not, they're not cheap. I think they were about $300. They're around the $300 range, something like that. But I've had the thing for almost 4 years, and they're still going strong. I don't have any plans to not continue to use them. There's the other one. You can see good boots. They do make a mid-length as well, but give them a shot. I enjoyed them, or I still enjoy them, and I'm going to continue to wear these boots and get out and ride. Thanks for watching, guys.